Well, good afternoon. It's 12:32. Temperatures are already at 71 at Columbia Regional, and that's despite some high, thin clouds. You look out there and it looks kind of gray. We're not far from where folks are seeing a bit more sunshine. We're just now starting to see that thicker cloud cover roll on into Columbia, which means the rain's not far behind. Winds out of the south, 21 miles per hour, gusting as high as 25. We've got on the forecast board anywhere between 20 to 30, maybe even plus gusts expected this afternoon. So a breezy day, and it's a warm day. Temperatures, as I mentioned, 71 at Columbia Regional, or 72 in Jefferson City, 69 at Osage Beach. Overall, much warmer than average, but we're warm, we're dry, we're windy. All of these things contributing to an elevated fire danger this afternoon. Avoid burning if you can. Just erratic fire behavior is likely, again, with all of these factors combined. Here's a look at future wind gusts. We may get a little bit of a break this afternoon, but overall, a bit breezy, heading well into your Monday night. Rain starts tonight, speaking of. Storms Tuesday. We're watching some cooler air by the end of the week, but we are also expecting this rain to continue. The rain doesn't stop on Tuesday. We'll likely be at least dreary to maybe even seeing some light showers all the way through Thursday and Friday. Really, the next day we see sunshine back in full force. Here is a live look, again, right around 12:30 of our satellite and radar. This is visible satellite picking up some high, thin clouds. It does get thicker off towards the west, so you can kind of see where we're at in Columbia. That shot outside Columbia Regional looked gray, but with some high, thin clouds, it gets a little bit thicker off towards the southwest, and that's where the rain is. If we zoom this out, you can see this is part of the system that we're watching. This band of showers is going to likely arc across the region as we head later this evening and into the overnight hours. So let's track this out on Future Track. Again, dry for most of us well into the afternoon. A few folks to the southwest picking up on some showers by mid-afternoon, but I think most of us are holding off until the dinner hour to see our best shot at rain. This will likely include shower activity, but also a few rumbles of thunder throughout the early and overnight hours. As we head into Tuesday morning, we're looking at generally a break from the rainfall between, we'll say, midnight and 7 a.m. Then we're picking up on maybe some sunshine. And where we see the most sunshine, where we see the best heating here at the surface between Tuesday morning and Tuesday afternoon, where we get temperatures back close to 70, that's where we'll have the best chance for some stronger storms. And right now, again, that looks like it's going to be on the western edge of our viewing area. As this cold front rolls on through, we'll likely see some showers develop out ahead and along it, some thunderstorms actually, and that's where we'll see the potential for some strong to severe storms Tuesday afternoon. As they progress towards the east, it'll make a slow progression by about 7 o'clock or so. As they get further towards the east, we'll likely see our intensity in these diminish as they get further away from some supportive atmosphere and into the overnight hours, but we'll keep that chance for showers lingering into Wednesday as well as the wraparound portion here starts to push through mid-Missouri. So Tuesday's threat for severe weather going to be highlighted here in this area from the Storm Prediction Center. This is a marginal risk. What this means is this is where we're looking at a conditional threat for storms. I think even with this green, I think if you center it more towards the west, I think that's where we'll have the better chance. But if you're in that green, pay attention to the forecast tomorrow. Things could change, but it's always a good idea to be weather aware, especially this early in spring. It's good to start practicing that weather awareness. We could see anything from wind to maybe even some hail. We can't rule out a tornado with this risk for storms either. It's not a big risk. It's not something like what we're seeing in the southeast, but it is there, and it's something we need to communicate to you so you can be prepared in case something were to happen. But as we head into Wednesday and Thursday, we're turning from a thunderstorm chance to more of a shower chance, and temperatures, they struggle to get out of the 40s both days. Heading into Friday, though, we're back in the 60s.